Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they were flat on Thursday, despite upbeat data suggesting the U.S. economy is still on a moderate growth path. Shares in software and services, telecommunication services, and healthcare equipment and services sectors, they all pushed higher, while shares in automobiles and components, tech hardware and equipment and transportation sectors, they were all under pressure. Existing home sales increasing 1.3%, the leading index flat, and initial jobless claims rising to 208,000 for the week ended September 14th. This all as 48% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Western Digital announced that it has agreed to sell its IntelliFlash unit to DDN as part of its strategic plan to exit storage systems businesses. Now, financial terms not disclosed. Turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei rising 0.16%, the Hang Seng down 0.13%, China CSI 300 up 0.29%, South Korea's Kospi rising 0.54%. European markets accelerating up and U.S. futures pointing towards a higher open. Now, there's no major earnings expected today, but on the economic docket before the bell, we have speeches from Fed Williams as well as Rosengren. While taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus. Even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, the extent should be limited. Long positions above 3,000 are favored, with targets at 3,017.25 and 3,024.50 in extension. The Nasdaq sees the bullish bias above 78.97, while the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish.